In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your organization's logo in Google Workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the admin console, what to click, and how to upload a clean, professional logo that appears across apps like Gmail, Drive, and Calendar. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with an admin account that has permission to manage organization settings and have your logo file ready on your computer. A high-quality square image, ideally a PNG with a transparent background, usually looks best. Start by opening the Google Admin Console in your browser and sign in with your admin credentials. From the admin homepage, look for the section labeled Account. This is where your organization's global settings live. Click it to open up the options specific to your company profile and policies. Inside the account area, select Account Settings. Think of account settings as the hub for your organization's identity and basic details. From here, you'll be able to manage things that shape how your organization appears to users across Google services. Next, go to Personalization. This is the place dedicated to your visual identity. Changes you make here, like your logo, help users quickly recognize your organization in places such as the Google Apps Launcher and profile menus. It's a small change that makes a big difference in brand consistency. Now it's time to add your logo. Choose Upload from Device. A file picker will open so you can browse to the logo stored on your computer. Select your image file and confirm. If possible, use a crisp, square image that remains legible at smaller sizes and avoid busy backgrounds. PNG files with transparent backgrounds typically produce the cleanest results. If you see a preview, make sure the logo isn't cut off and that it appears centered and clear. Once your logo looks right, click Save. This commits the change for your entire organization. In most cases, updates appear fairly quickly, but it can take a little time to propagate everywhere. If you don't see it immediately in Gmail or other apps, give it a few minutes and try refreshing your browser. You can always return to the same personalization area to replace the logo later if you update your branding. That's it. You opened the admin console, navigated through account and account settings, went into personalization, uploaded your logo from your device, and saved the change. Keep your original logo files handy and consider documenting size and format guidelines so future updates are consistent. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime your organization refreshes its brand.